guys, so it's Monday, October 10th, 10:58 a.m. and I'm in my room right now, as y'all can see. We're about to take out my old bed, put in my new bed, and just rearrange the furniture, see where things fit, see where things don't fit. And that's pretty much it today. It's not a lot, but it kind of is. It's gonna take a lot of time, so I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna head to the gym today or not. I don't know, if I don't head to the gym, I'm definitely gonna work out today. But yeah, we in the pajama pants or whatever. Yeah, this whole series is like real and raw. My last video, you guys wouldn't know because obviously the video's uploaded already, but y'all, my video deleted, so I had to re-edit it. So I have to do that later, but it's okay. Yeah, just wanted to come on here and tell you guys that because it's gonna be a montage mostly of us doing that. And yeah,
when to stop at the green light. Oh, I just turned down your avenue. I had to, but I'm mad at you. Yeah, you always say I got an attitude. Oh, yeah, but that's you. You was acting rude. I had to ask you if you had a few, 'cause you always say I got an attitude. Oh, so I'm the one that's out of place. I'm the one that's in the way. I don't communicate. I'm so spoiled. So I'm the one that need a break. Like you ain't stay in my place, but you the one who came home late. Finally, I'm not running back. I'm turning up and on and down, coming down. I be coming for your mind, running in. I be fighting for your time, right? I know it's fine, I know it's good. Damn, I know you're mine, you know it too. Fine, I might be wrong, but I don't care. You're in my own. Just been on there, waiting for you to come here and be under 18. Rhyme up with, would you rhyme my band? 'Cause I've been giving you my time, and I make iced tea and I make it where you love it. Yeah, frozen out, I'll be the one you run to.
alright you guys, so I'm back. It is Saturday, October 15th. It's been a few days since I did anything with my room. Like all week I didn't do anything. So the last thing I left off at was, I think, putting everything in the room. So nothing has moved. If anything, things have been added. So today I'm gonna organize little by little. So most of the stuff I'm probably gonna do off camera, but I'm gonna try to get some more footage for you guys. I'm either gonna put my clothes away because I have like laundry to put away, or I'm gonna organize like all my makeup and everything like that. I don't know. So there's really no updates. I've been slacking out my room because I've been focusing on school, my business. Like after I finish a section of my room today, I'm gonna go on live, create some content, do homework, like, you know. So it's a process. My mom has been working on the vanity because y'all know I'm gonna be repostering it, remodeling it, I guess, giving it a little makeover. So I think she scraped off the top. I showed a little clip of me doing that part at least, but it was getting a little too difficult. So she finished it and sanded it down, and I guess she's starting to spray paint it. So yeah, after that's in the room, that's the last piece of furniture that needs to be in the room. And then I need to order a vanity, mirror, a chair, bed sheets, maybe some new curtains, and maybe a new rug and a nightstand. So this is actually going to take longer than I expected. I thought we would be able to finish it before my birthday, but it's looking like it's gonna be way after my birthday. But for the most part, I want to be in my room within the next few days. I don't even know where to start. I think I'm gonna start with the clothes.
Yeah, sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This in between us is not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that?
I'm in the trenches, relax. Can you not play that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rest. We in Atlanta, I buy her wig. She telling me Tay is the best. Pointed them niggas who act like a killer, but you only one from the net. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you gon' get stretched. Bring Drake to the hood. Surround Drake, around Drake. Even though I got a K, I'ma do what it take.
And I've never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
On my knee, all this big it, hop off a chick, and they get rich. Cash to no more, I get a check. Be selling run on my pants and my chest. Chanel dress, clean up a mess. I eat her flesh, you know the rest. Count up 100, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed. Just on the tape, and they clip up like I hoop with these jets. This is on me, got my Gucci shirt wet. Him in my bag, gon' get used to the rest. With this school where they teach you for this. I heard this shoes for the drip, I invest. I'm the boss man, I keep catching the dance. All the cool fast when they in with it.
Now that I'm home, back up the road, we shut it down, where they sold. Checks on the streets, in them a fold, sand on my feet, put it on toes, take it with me, double your dose, covered with angels that's watching my soul. Check out a bed, it's bigger windows, and I be the intent, but I got the info. I feel like I'm frozen, I'm covered in gold. Nothing but fire, man. She hopped in and drove.
Hands on my knee, all this big it, hop off a chick, and they get rich. Cash to no more, I get a check. Be selling run on my pants and my chest. Chanel dress, clean up a mess. I eat her flesh, you know the rest. Count up 100, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed.
You told me text, we leave the boy like I Uber to Jesse. Yes, is on me, got my Louis shirt wet. Said him in my bag and get used to these racks. I'm with this school where they teach you finesse. I earn this shoes for the drip I invest. I'm the boss man, I keep catching the dance. Know the cool fast when they in with an S. The flame on the island, me and couch gonna hop on a Learjet. Got positive color, I got CCs you ain't seen yet. Said I kicked the cup and now I'm asking where to go do that. But it money's in up, and I'm tripping my.
Hey you guys, so it is October 21st. I haven't talked to you guys. The last time I talked to y'all, what was I doing? I think I was like putting decorations up in the room. But it's 2 days before my birthday, y'all. And I'm doing a birthday vlog, so I don't know, it's kind of weird. But my mom just got me a vanity mirror because I don't know if I was talking about it in the vlog, but we took the mirror off of my vanity and I was gonna get a mirror with the LED lights or whatever around it. And I didn't think she was gonna get it before my birthday because I wanted it for my birthday to do my makeup and everything, and just to have in the room. But went to the nail salon to get my feet done, came back, and I got surprised. So I'm about to bring it up to show you guys, and I don't know if we're gonna put it up right now, but whenever we do, I'm gonna show you guys. And I'll probably put the same clip in my birthday vlog as well, just to call it a day. But I haven't really been talking, so I wanted to come on here and let you guys know what's up. It's a lot going on. So yeah, today I definitely do want to add the clothes to my, what do you call this, clothing rack thing. I have so much to do, y'all, so much to do. But my main focus is getting my homework done and posting on TikTok because I've been slacking, and I'm having a sale on Sunday for my business. So yeah. All right, y'all. So next time I come back, I'll be putting up my vanity mirror. And I actually planned on washing my brushes today too because they need to be clean. But yeah, so I'll see you guys when I see y'all, and I hope you guys are enjoying this whole series or weekly vlogs, whatever. All right, peace.
On my pinky finger, that bitch look like a mini pop. When on my mind, when on your head, ain't right 3 times, but you coming through the chest. Red cross, step a nigga fed. In the studio, okay, I fish out the feds. Yeah, niggas can't stand the rain. Niggas don't stand a chance. Yeah, shit but I can and pain. I spend the bin in the bins. I call the bill off of Google app. I'm the type to get my shit away. I had to survive opportunity back. 5% tint on the book, like who's that? Cool take off like it's mad. Need the dope with a fork, I'm with another Sudafed. I'm doing scams in the lab. Every Thursday, girls, they spend the time on my daughter, make me go harder. Every Sunday, teach my boy to be a man, I ain't had no father. Better love with the block, I ain't had no part. You saw no shotgun Marvin. Thinking they want nothing proper. All with diamonds look like Marvins. All of my water, aqua, beating the block up till we swell them. I want your ice, boy, I want your life, but fuck it, I still might rob them.
Push these niggas off me like, push these bitches off me like, push these niggas off me like.